Right there's my German Shepherd Lobo and my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. It's currently around midnight, February 21st, going into the 22nd. I'm out on a hike through the Mississippi River Valley with my dogs. This is clip 3, come along. As you can probably see, the snow is really coming down tonight. We're supposed to get 5 to 6 inches or so. This is some of my favorite weather to hike in. Again, there's the mighty Mississippi. Beautiful night. It doesn't get much better than this. Two best friends a guy or girl could have. At least I think so. Yes, beautiful. If you're watching, thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoy it. I know the videos can't convey just how beautiful it is, but take my word for it, it is. As I often say, I'm a simple man, and it's the simple things like this in life I think I enjoy the most. Yeah, let's not go out on the ice, guys. These guys love to swim in all weather. I just as soon have them not go through the river ice. It's not very thick because it's moving pretty fast. We're just downstream from the lock and dam in this location. Good boy. Good boy. You'll have to forgive any sniffling. It's cold and it's snowing like crazy. That's what happens. Lobo's at the home of the Keebler Elves. He just peed on their tree. Looks like somebody was harassing the elves. Move, Lobo. Move, Kurgan. Move the board from the elves' house. I think that's the tree where the EL fudge cookies are made. Those things are pretty good. Especially if you put them in the freezer. They're really tasty frozen. Little tip from me to you. Come on, leave the elves alone. Good boy. There's an eagle's nest up here. They're not very active at night though. I get footage of them quite a bit during the day. If you go down on my channel and look, you'll see them periodically in my videos. If it was daylight right now, this falling snow would look just beautiful. It doesn't look as good with my flash, unfortunately. C'est la vie, huh? Good boy. Good boy. You can see they stick around pretty good even at night when we're down here. They've both been doing this since they were little puppies. Boys. Alright, I'm coming. Here, homie. Oh, get here. Maybe I got a good thumbnail there, hopefully. I know I won't get much from the far away footage with the dogs with all the snow. Plus, when I crouch down like that, it relieves my sciatica. Probably look like the abominable snow beast right now. I feel like I'm all covered with snow. Well, this clip 3 is running on. I think I'm going to end it here. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, and share if you did. Hit that little notification bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get email notifications when my new videos come out. Thanks for coming along. That's all, folks. Bye.